seriously, it sounds so amazing. It sounds like music. So this truck needs brakes like really, really bad. Like I hit up my buddy to see if we can get some put in. It still feels good, but dude, it is making the worst noise ever. I gotta get that thing fixed. So anyways, on with the day. Dropping off some orders that are just a little bit of cash orders. Talking about this little bit of cash orders and this hstlsupplyco.com, guys, make sure you guys go in there and at least check out the website. If you guys don't like anything, don't buy anything, just check it out. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm trying to reverse out of my driveway, and I usually never reverse out of it. I usually just like back up into over where the Range Rover was and then kind of swoop on out. Do you hear that? Oh my god, my brakes. As most of you guys know, I freaking hate Fridays, but I gotta make the best out of it. Just to add to my Friday, I have a haircut appointment. Valley View with no tint. Just got to my barber's. I got my haircut at 10:30. It's currently 10:20, but I really don't feel like going in there. And yeah, I don't have time. It's Friday and it's insane today. So I think I'm just going to do the shake to cut thing. Have you guys ever seen it? It goes a little bit like this. Told you, just like that. So perfect. Works. Love this feature on this YouTube thing. But anyways, Friday. It's going to be a super busy day. Let's get on with my day, dude. This is insane. Getting it. Dude, so honestly, one thing that I hate about stopping to get a freaking drink, seriously, all I wanted to get was something to drink, and I ended up getting a stupid pizza pocket and like 10 chicken nuggets. Dude, I hate myself for doing this, but I guess I can just call it a cheat meal, right? I just seriously like hate when I do that to myself. I've been like on a really good like health kick, and here I am messing it all up. I'm on the highway now, heading over to Kingsburg. I gotta go pick up a check, then run all the way back. I gotta sign all the checks, and there's just a mess. Just a lot of running around, and it's just my normal headache. All right, I have to tell you guys, I didn't end up eating all the food, so it makes me feel a lot better. It's kind of like if I would have only ate half of it, it would have only been half as bad, right? Not too bad. I don't know. I don't even know what I'm saying, but I just feel bad for eating that now. And yeah, whatever. I'll take another fat burger when I get home, I guess. You guys, got some good news. I'm actually on my way right now to Fresno to pick up my nephew's stock wheels because he's already on his way there to get his new wheels put on. So we'll see how that looks. If you guys could get one guess on what the hell just popped up on my dash, you guys are probably right. Fuel. I need fuel. Dude, what a beautiful Friday it is today. Anyways, so yeah, I'm on my way to Fresno. Finished most of the stuff that I needed to do in town, or in towns, I should say. It's running around seriously everywhere. But at least we get to do something a little bit different and fun and car related. I got some good news. I just talked to Mo on the phone since I'm on my way to his shop, and I asked him if he can knock out my front brakes for this truck, and he's like, yeah, we'll do it, no problem. So thank you again, dude. I'm telling you guys, West Coast Tires and Wheels on Blackstone, you guys hit them up and you guys will get 15% off if you tell them I sent you. But he's gonna knock my truck out as we wait for my nephew's car to be ready. So that's gonna be pretty dope. A 2-in-1 deal. It's awesome. So yeah, let's go get this thing done. Yo, really quick, should I trade this thing in? Oh my god, I need one so bad. That is so dope. I'm a GM guy, DURAMAX all the way. That's why I have the black truck, and every truck before that was pretty much a DURAMAX, except for one. That was another Ford that I blew up. That was the 6.4, which was really, really bad. But ever since that 6.4, I actually traded that in for a DURAMAX, and I've stuck with DURAMAX ever since. And I actually had DURAMAX before that. I just wanted something different. And again, when this 6.7 came out, that's how I ended up with this one, because it was different. And there hasn't been any problems, and luckily enough I haven't had really any problems with it. But the 2020 Denali 3500 dually, dude, that thing's got me thinking. Like, seriously guys, like, that thing legit has me thinking. Tell me what you guys think. 2020 Denali 3500 lifted, 26s, 37s, all color matched, just how I usually do my trucks, or keep the Ford. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Just a little update on my fuel, so you guys know that I was not lying. 8 miles to empty. Dude, I tell you, if you guys didn't believe me that I lived at the fuel stations, that's literally like my home away from home almost every day. Seriously guys, like, I drive so much, I need to chill. Just got to West Coast Wheels and Tires, so they're gonna put the brakes on this truck. Actually, I think we're waiting for the brake pads to get here. He just ordered them, so they should be in a little bit, and then he's gonna do that. I'm still waiting for my nephew. He called me, or I called him to see if he was ready here, but he said he was like 10 miles behind me. We have each other on like Find My Friends or whatever.
You tore up the thing.
Huh?
You tore up the rotor.
Did it?
Yeah.
Damn. Oh yeah. He's gonna need some new rotors too. Dude, so I tore up, as you guys seen it. Look at these things, it freaking went all the way down to the metal. Oh, I can't show you the inside of this, but it's nasty. Like, tore it all up. So they're checking right now. He's getting me a price for some rotors. Look how bad I messed these up. Them all up, huh? Yeah. Guess that's what happens with 26s and 37s.
26s in a big old truck.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. This side was good, I think. Yeah, this side was still good, but they recommended to just switch both of them. So there's the other rotor right there. What a mess. Someone's getting some 2212s right here. Well, my nephew, they're all happy. Wheels are finally on. That was so dope. That was staggered. Yeah, it looks dope. I like it.
I wanted to be perfect.
1 inch right there? Yeah. Looks sick. Looks perfect. Talking about lowering this thing about 1.5 inches from an inch in the front and 1.5 inches in the back, right? I think it would sit amazingly perfect.
So you got the water bill?
All right.
Date is a 2/21/20.
And just like that, I told you I pretty much live here. That is going to be it for today's vlog. If you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching. My nephew is actually getting some fuel too. He's right there. We're going to go grab some dinner now. But like that, going to end it at my second home. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.